These are the most powerful fighter jets in the world. Number 5. The F-35 Lightning II, a stealth jet with AI systems and advanced avionics, capable of speeds over Mach 1.6. Number 4. The Su-57, Russia's stealth fighter, capable of Mach 2, with super maneuverability and thrust vectoring engines. Because of those engines, it is extremely maneuverable. Number 3. The F-22 Raptor. It reaches Mach 2.25. Because of its design, it dominates in air-to-air combat. Number 2. D-2 Spirit, a stealth bomber that almost vanishes from radar. And number 1. SR-71 Blackbird. They can reach 3,500 km/h, a jet that outran missiles. He still holds speed records.